you guys enjoyed this video. Come on back to our other videos or our channel here. We'll bring you more of these back road adventures to you here. Like I said, you'll never know what you're going to see sometimes when you're driving these back roads.
At the next stop sign, keep right.
That's honestly, that was the best part of my week right there, just running across that. That's why, if you're able to, get out and drive your back roads in your local areas and stuff, and drive roads you never
at the stop sign,
driven down before.
Right onto Calderwood Highway.
Because you never know what's looming on those back roads that you've never been on before. Always keep you a camera, your phone in your car to take videos and pictures and stuff.
In 7 miles, turn right onto US 411 South.
Got some hawks flying up there. Seen some bald eagles yesterday along the creek. They was swimming down out of the tree lines, catching some fish, some trout out of the water. It was pretty cool watching that happen. Davidson. All right, guys, until the next video, God bless you, and we'll see you the next time. Well, what did you guys think about that little adventure there along that gem we found along the road? Yeah, that was right here in Blount County. Pretty close to this Great Smoky Mountains National Park here over in eastern Tennessee. Thank you guys here to help me share this video here. That was awesome. I really enjoyed that piece of nature right there. But you never know what you're going to come across on these mountain roads here. Sure didn't think it was going to turn into that. These videos are for the ones that can't hardly get away from their homes and used to enjoy the mountains and can't get back hardly. And the ones that don't see much of the Tennessee and the mountains areas. So this channel is for you guys. People like my parents and older couples that can't get out. But that's what you get when you drive these back roads and back mountain roads anyway. It's a beautiful day out. It's 58 degrees right now. It's a beautiful day for these drives right here. They yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel. You find more of these back road adventures here on our channels here on Daily Life in the Smokies and the Great Smoky Mountain Back Roads, and our new channel, Jeep Invasions Across the USA. That was our newest channel anyway. It's nothing but Jeeps and 4x4s and basically some hot rods too. So if y'all like that kind of stuff, subscribe to that channel. Don't have a lot of videos posted on there yet. I got a lot of videos to upload on there, so they'll be coming to you pretty soon. Right now we're coming back out on US 129 here.
Starting route to home. In 1.5 miles, keep right.
Hey everyone, Philip here from Daily Life in the Smokies and Smoky Mountain Back Roads. Look what I came across here. There's a little gem mine for you on the back roads of Blount County. Nice, beautiful little waterfalls here. A great place. Maybe a little lawn chair out here, picnic lunch. In the summer months, and that wading area right there is probably about anywhere from 4 to 6 foot deep right there in certain areas of it. Yeah, this is a beautiful gem mine right here. Only in the mountains, guys. Don't find this in the flatlands, do you? Just stand here for a minute just watching this. without even saying a word. I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit, okay guys? Hope you guys enjoy it. Great screensaver right here. Hey everybody, it's part two of back roads here in Maryville here. I'm gonna park along this creek side down here. Get out here along this creek side here. Just give me a few minutes, guys, to get this camera ready. Where I can get out, so it's gonna be a little shaky. Just give me a minute here. Here's this waterfall I was telling you about. This is where it first starts and begins. I was just talking about the way things are starting to bloom up a little quicker here in Tennessee in this area. Just got out and there was a bunch of honeybees out already and wasps. So things are starting to come out pretty early this year. Look at this waterfall. Ain't that awesome? A great place. There's a great little swimming hole in there too. You can wade in. This is a great roadside little attraction here on the back roads here. This is right out of the Great Smoky Mountains here in Blount County. Now you don't see this every day in the flatlands, do you? But yeah, look at that watering hole right there. Kids would have a blast grown up. And that's pretty deep too, right there in that little area. Then it goes off to the side there. Goes into a thinner creek. Sounds of God's country out here, guys. Gotta love it. Maybe a lawn chair sitting out here, a cooler, picnic lunch. Hello, everyone. Philip coming to you here from the Great Smoky Mountains. We're over here on a Collarwood Highway here out of Maryville, out of the Great Smoky Mountains here. We're just driving over in Blount County today. We'll just drive around and see what we see along the roads here. But this is Philip from Daily Life in the Smokies. I want to welcome everybody in the Great Smoky Mountains back roads here. And we also got another new channel we just started. It's Jeep invasions across the USA. We only got some shorts on it right now, but if y'all want to subscribe to that channel too, I need to leave a link at the end of this video for you guys in the description. But we will be traveling a lot this year, going to different Jeep invasions throughout the U.S. We did some last year. I haven't posted most of them, but I am going to post some, just some highlights of what we done last year of Jeep invasions anyway. And then we also do the hot rods and some of the 4x4 lifted trucks and things like that too on that channel. So if y'all interested in that kind of stuff, subscribe to that channel. But right now we're just driving some back roads over here in Blount County, some farmland. Some of these roads over here, you'll see some of the mountains off in the Smoky Mountains. You'll see them. I don't know if we'll be able to see much of it today or not, but you'll probably see some mountains off in the distance anyway. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It's going to be a beautiful week this week here. It's going to be in the 60s most of the week. Even on the weekend, it's going to be around 55 or something like that, and 59 on Sunday. And then 60 starting Monday is going to be around 65 plus all week next week. So that's good for us. And beautiful sunshine days. There's some slight chance of rains towards the end of the week here, but it's just a very slight chance. But it's a cool front coming in for like the weekend, but it's only going to drop it down about 5 or 7 degrees. It's not that much. But there's some beautiful homesteads out this way and some nice subdivisions. Mainly like these little back roads here like this here. I know it's a state road, county road or whatever, but at least it's double laned here. But I like the winding this road's parts of it. US 29 Dragon, Harley Davidson, 7 miles ahead.
In 1 mile,
miles,
keep left onto 6 Mile
318
Road.
curves. Harley-Davidson Dragon Loop here. That's a lot of curves, isn't it? I know the motorcycles love them curves. Cute little house there off to the right. Yeah, I love these drives. I like to look at other pieces of land and trees and stuff as they start blooming up here. I notice some more of our Easter lilies are starting to get about 8 to 10 inches tall now. But March 1st is coming up here pretty soon. There's Fast Stop gas station here.
Keep left onto 6 Mile Road.
So we're veering off the 6 Mile Road here.
In about 2 miles, take a slight right turn onto Allegheny Loop
Kind of a
Road.
dangerous veer off right there, since the other side don't have a stop sign or anything, so you got to watch that. Got about 3.5 miles here to my destination here, but I'll add more footage to it when I leave here. Yeah, it won't be long. These trees will start to be blooming pretty soon. But I kind of enjoy the trees being naked for a little while, like I said, so you can see the landscape sometimes better. But sometimes when everything's green, you can't see everything. I see green on top of that tree right up there, blooming out. Had some buds on it. That's kind of hard to believe because we've been having some freezes at night. See, there's some more green popping off that tree there. Seems like the trees are going to bloom out early this year. It's like an old garage there working on cars and tires. Kind of look like semi-tires a little bit. I'm guessing anyway. How's everyone doing? Where y'all watching from? Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're all watching from anyway. Or if anybody needs any prayers in their life. Anybody got any sicknesses or anything needs prayers for?
In half a mile, take a slight right turn onto Allegheny Loop Road.
But hopefully everybody's all in great shape and healthy. But I know everyone needs prayers every now and then. There's some of the mountains up ahead there. It's a lot different if y'all can see it in person instead of on the TV screen here. Going veer up
Take a
to the
slight right turn
right
onto
here.
Allegheny Loop Road. In about 1.5 miles, turn left onto Allegheny Loop Road.
That's an old house right there, isn't it? Got a creek that runs along the backyard of it. Some good country living back here. I like these properties with the creeks and rivers. Those Easter lilies are bloomed out down there. Or had the yellow flowers on them. Daffodils, or whatever they call them anyway. There's some land for sale right there. I like this little drive right here. Try to go a little slower, that way y'all can see a little better. Old horse barn.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Allegheny Loop Road.
It's a narrow little road here. It's about 54 degrees right now. It's a cute little place. Probably turn the camera back on. I'd head back out of here on the same direction here, so you can see the houses on the opposite side of the road here. Driving around the mountain sides here. It may be a 2-part video here. That way I don't get too bored on a 20-minute video. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching and subscribe. Look at that creek down below on the right-hand side, running along the roadway. There's a neat little waterfalls right there coming down. I'll see if I can adjust the camera. Try to zoom that in for you. So you'll never know what you're going to find along the way. When you're driving these back roads. That is a beautiful sight right there. Nothing like the sounds of nature. I can just sit there and look at that for a while. But need to get on down the road a little bit. Water just coming down in all directions there. Yep, definitely God's country. Let's drive on through here. I might pull off on me on the way back on the second video here. Water view of that waterfalls. Get out of the truck. Just seen another nice waterfalls back there on this side, but I missed it.
Turn left onto Allegheny Loop Road. Then the destination is on your left.
Guys, stay tuned for the next video here. Be part 2. Turn in this driveway here.
The destination is on your left, 3443 Allegheny Loop Road. Arrived.
Cute little pole barn house. Nice piece of property back here on the mountainside.